Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing a quick review of Microsoft Copilot, copilot.microsoft.com. Now, what is it about? Microsoft Copilot is an AI-powered assistant integrated across Microsoft 365 applications. It is designed to boost productivity and creativity. Now, when it comes to the pros, it helps to increase productivity because it automates repetitive tasks like drafting emails, like summarizing meetings and generating document drafts, saving significant time. Then it has seamless integration, like we said earlier, seamless integration into familiar apps like Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Teams. So it provides a consistent and intuitive user experience. Then it also has enhanced creativity because it helps you overcome writer's block and jumpstart content creation, suggested text, and ideas. It also has improved collaboration because it facilitates smoother teamwork through features like meeting summaries and action items extraction. It has data analysis assistant. It can help you analyze data in applications like Excel, identifying trends and providing insight. Also has enterprise-grade security. It is designed with security and privacy features to provide sensitive business data. Now, when it comes to the cons, it's one, cost. The subscription cost, especially for the Microsoft 365 integrated version, can be significant investment, particularly for small businesses. Also, it has dependency. Over reliance on the tool could potentially diminish users' manual skills and critical thinking. Also, the con of accuracy issues. Like all AI, Copilot can sometimes generate inaccurate or unethical response, like hallucinations, requiring users to verify the output. So when we see here, Copilot may make mistakes by interacting Copilot with additional services, so you can see it may make mistakes. It's written right there. Next, we have limited customization. While it has customization to an extent, it may not fully meet highly specific or niche user requirements. It has and also requires an internet connection, functionality dependent on a stable internet connection, and lastly, the potential for data sprawl. Increased content creation can lead to more digital clutter if not managed effectively. Now, these are the pros and cons of Microsoft Copilot. Remember, it's integrated into a lot of Microsoft applications that we mentioned earlier. So you can message the Copilot to get quick responses. You can use the think deeper, sorry, and then you can open it by adding news and stuff. There are so many ways you can use the Copilot. You need to verify if you want to use it properly. Let's see if we can verify. So if you want to know it fully, just simply go to copilot.microsoft.com, verify that you're human, and then you can get so much more from it. You can also sign in. So that is it. Hope you found this video helpful.